US30 and US100 both have reversed from the resistance levels which I mentioned and shared in my post today in my platform www.forex.com with the Asia and Europe session update, because today's morning videos had a technical glitch. That is why I had shared the summary over my platform. And precisely see mentioning, I have mentioned very clearly 32,920 you should watch out for greater resistance. A buying entry above 32,920 can be taken, and 14,260. Achieving the highs here, we can see a strong reversal here. Now, what to expect from the US session, which position you should take trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every like, comment, share is a motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates on major global markets and commodities, including Dow Jones and Nasdaq. This is the second update for the day. Let's start. You can also get the live updates by joining my free Telegram channel or by joining my platform www.forexfunda.com. Everything required to a trader is available there on that platform. I'll show you in a little while in this video itself. Now let's start. First, let's have a look at the Tech 100. Higher lows here on the early and higher highs. Yes, it is still staying bullish. Also, if you note, there is a slight gap which needs to be filled at 14,160-180 zone. And right now it is getting a pull towards that zone. So it may try to fill that gap. It can try to move towards 14,140 before looking forward to a recovery. Thus, staying below 14,200, or rather I will say 14,190, you can below 14,190 you can initiate a selling position for 14,160, and then below 14,160 more bearishness may prevail. Only bearish confirmation, only reversal confirmation is if you see the prices staying below 14,100 today. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking down, trying to trade bearish. MACD has retraced, it is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2 hour. See what has happened here, prices are too much divergent from the 20 period. It has converged towards the 20 period, getting the resistance from the 20 period, trying to reverse. Now if you recall, these are greater support levels. This line coming here, I will show you this line on the daily charts, but yes, these are greater supports, and this is still yielding higher lows, higher highs. There's only bearishness if you see the prices staying below 14,190 and then 14,160 zone. That is the zone below which more bearishness to be seen. Stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trying to trade with a little divergence and bullishness. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour. Now if you look at the 3-hour chart, see one red candle, then a retracement, a high or a peak, and then this is the second red candle in making. Now this could be again reversing from here, and it can reverse towards 14,300. There is a probability to it. Thus, if you see the price is staying beyond 14,250, 260 zone, you can initiate a buying position here. Expect 14,300 and 330 zone. Yes, these levels are achievable, and beyond this 14,400 is the only level which will call for the reversal here. If you look at a stochastic, this is near to overbought. MACD has crossed over at bottom, trying to trade with divergence, trying to stay bullish. You can look at this, and it is trying to look upwards. It may continue to do so. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. See, today there is a lot much of data available, and hence it can bring swings, but the possibility for it to rise is also equally strong here. Now look at the 4. Now see similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Look at these two candles, thus achieving higher lows. We can recover, we can expect a recovery. And also one must note these two candles here. See, these two candles are equally important. These are bearish candles. The prices failed to stay bearish. We have seen a pullback. Here also prices failed to stay bearish, and we have seen a pullback. Now here achieving the higher lows, we can expect a possible recovery in prices where we may see 14,260, 14,300, 330 levels. But we must not forget that any move on the downside, there is a gap to be filled at 14,160, which might get filled, and below that more bearishness may prevail. Stochastic rising, MACD is willing to converge, willing to cross over for a buying position. RSI is still oversold. Coming to the day, and before I give you the trading levels and strategy and read the daily charts for Nasdaq, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself, reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email for any query related to the mentorship batch. Also, you can join my signals channel. Yes, you can also book your seat by visiting my platform www.forexfunda.com, and this platform is created with the vision to provide everything required to a trader under a single platform, whether be it the global economic data coming in live, with the historical data, with the projections, and with the live market updates is available under economic calendar. You can also get the charts on live charts on your favorite instrument, commodity instrument, whether be it stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, CFD, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, anything and everything is available. You can do your analysis, you can perform your analysis, you can save it here itself. Also, you can book a call with me for any consultation related to any of your query regarding your existing positions or a future prediction which you wanted to make, or which you want me to analyze you for. You can book a consultation call here. And yes, this is the most important part, the availability of the discussions. For now, let me show you what did I mention for Tech 100. 14260 levels. Yes, this is the 14260 levels, staying above which the bulls will be there. Precisely, it is reversed from 14260. Next is, if you see US30, I have very clearly mentioned 32,880, 922, 920 is the resistance, and hence it is only above 32,920 we can expect a move towards bullishness. Else we can see it staying bearish, and that is what precisely from going close to 32,920 DJI is reversed. So this forum is very important for you all. You can have a discussion, you can comment, you can share your own ideas and thoughts. Just pay a visit to the forum. Now let's come back to the Nasdaq 100 charts. Now on the daily chart, see, first of all, the preceding two candles were a bearish candle. Also, you can say it was outside Bollinger Bands, but this candle has created a room for Tech on the downside. Yes, it has the potential. Tech 100 may show you identically symmetrical candle, or it can give you higher lows and higher highs or lower highs. But the movement is going to limit, the lows is going to limit within the preceding lows. That is my expectation. I do not see it breaking below the yesterday's low. Thus, there is a probability that below 14,190 we can still expect it to move towards 160, 140 as the first target, 100 as the next, and rather I will say 080 as the next. And achieving those levels, we can also expect a recovery here in the Tech 100. The selling at 14,190, and yes, you can initiate a buying position at 14,260, expect 14,300, 330 as the next targets, and then 330, 350 is very strong resistance, and beyond that we can look forward to 400 as well. 380, 400 is the next milestone which Tech 100 would like to achieve. Thus take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 reversed from 32,6, 920 levels, and if you recall, many a times I have shared that below 32,800, 32,600 is a major milestone. Is it moving towards 32,600, yielding the third red candle? The possibility is there. Why? We can see, I have mentioned yesterday also, see, this is the breakout candle. This was the first breakout candle, and today could be the second breakout candle in making. So yes, there is still lows which can be expected, but then we can look into detail and let's find out which position you should take. Now look at the hourly charts for US30. See the drop, the retracement, 32,900, 920 is the wall which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the reversal. As long as these levels are respected, we can expect it to trade bearish. Right now it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and we have to wait for it to break below 32,680 in order to confirm the further drop there. Else from here a slight retracement towards 800, 850 levels can be seen, and from there bearishness may prevail again. Stochastic at bottom oversold, MACD crossing over again for a selling entry. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, second red candle here in making. More bearishness may prevail below 32,680. We can look forward to 32,600. Remember, 32,600 is a great support for the day. The stochastic looking down. MACD is trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is looking down, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour chart, see, the top is done trying to trade with the bearishness, but it has to break below 32,680 and then 600 for the further momentum. Right now it is going to get the support, and yes, if you look at the trading channel here, this is the trading channel in which it is trading. It is a bearish channel here. The top is at 900, the bottom at 600. Stochastic looking down. MACD is also trading with bearishness. RSI is also trying to trade with a bearish bias. On the 4-hour charts, very important, higher lows, first red candle, second red candle in succession, and this candle could be taking the prices further deep towards 600. Yes, this is the milestone which I'll be looking forward to, and I have been mentioning this since long, that 32,600 and 400 are the next milestones. The stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down. Coming to the daily charts. lower highs, lower lows on the daily charts, and today is the third red candle. Yes, it might stay in red. On the upside, 32,900, 920 is definitely a greater resistance. On the downside, 32,600 is a great support. I see probably US30 limiting its movement within this zone, and below 32,680 we can initiate a selling position, and it may try to go closer towards 32,600 before looking forward to a further retracement towards 800. There is a probability for it to move towards 800 towards the end of the day. This is also one of the probabilities we can see. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is trading with the bearish bias as well. Thus sell at 32,600 and expect it to drop towards 32,600, 620 zone, very strong support, and then below that, see if it breaks below 32,600, you can expect next milestone is 32,500 and 400. These two levels are very critical for US30 on the downside. And remember, once it breaks, it sheds strongly, and thus you have to trade with caution. Rise confirmation, a buying confirmation now is above 32,800, but then we have to be mindful, watchful, careful towards 32,900, 920. Only above 900, 920 you can see this as turning bullish, and then 33,000 level is the ultimate resistance. Beyond that, you can say it prices has reversed. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by signals channel. Join my platform forexwonder.com or my free telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the weekly review tomorrow. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.